That's why I ended up in it. I got caught up.
Okay, because I was gonna ask you now, what inspired you?
No, I was
Uba
not-
mawube ngutitshala.
I was not inspired.
You were wabanjwa ngunoxhaka.
Ndabanjwa ngunoxhaka. Isibaya savalwa ndingaphakathi. Kwavala isibaya. Ngoku ndangafumani ndawo ukuphuma.
Ndiyakuva.
So I could relate more as a teacher than as an engineer. I could know things better in education than the things in the engineering field.
Yeah.
So I got caught up. But that passion was that I wanted to improve. I wanted to improve this thing.
Yes.
It then worked on me, even if when I wanted to escape. But I found this thing to be
you.
already I'm here, Mos.
Yeah.
Then that's how I built my career around.
And ezinye izinto uyayazi uba kuye kuthiwa ezinye izinto ungazibalekela isiphiwo sakho sisiphiwo sakho mhlawumbe. Do you believe in that?
I don't want us to create ubu stereotype. I would avoid ubu stereotype.
Okay.
What do I mean by that? There is no only one way to anything.
Okay.
Your life is not dependent on
We shouldn't be
singular
boxed.
rate. Yeah, we shouldn't box. You know if you can take a frog, uyibeke emanzini atshisayo, uvele immediately okanye masithi uyibeke emanzini abilayo,
Okay.
it will jump.
Okay.
But if you can take a frog emanzini abandayo,
Mandayo.
uloku change temperature kancane, it changes with them. And then until it realizes, oh, maybe mina ndibelonga kwindawo
Kulendawo. Okay.
yona yazi i-situation ayisemanzini abandayo. You understand? So you can get into a career and uloku khulu ufumana imali uthi mina ndibizelwe
Lento.
ufudumele. So I would always challenge this point. Can you do anything better than what you are doing now? That will keep you young. That will keep you thinking. So it answers the question, why am I'm always on the books?
Yes.
Xa ucinga wena ndiretire ngo-65 ndizowenza ntoni from 65?
Ihlala u-enjoy ifamily yakho
No.
and it's your
They'll be gone.
longevity
They'll be
yakho.
gone. I'll be left with a wife. Kids, as soon as they're 21, 25, they'll be gone. Which family are you talking about?
I hear you.
You need to build a hobby. You need to keep a income coming. You need to be comfortable in that age. Don't be poor at that age.
Yeah.
Don't make that mistake. Be comfortable. Because once you are poor at that age, you become a petty to everyone. So the reason why I'm expanding my knowledge
Yes.
horizon, it's because I want to get to a point where if ndilinyangi
Okay.
and umnyangi ngengxako nayo enye,
Ewe man.
ufuna inyanga ngebusiness yakho,
Eh.
umnyange ngento ezininzi. So I'm expanding my knowledge horizon as an investment to where I'm going in the future. So that when you come with computer science related matters,
Uyakwazi
I
ukunceda.
can consult and make money out of you. If you come with this complex issue, I don't solve it, but at least I give you a guideline. Ngoba awuzukuka nabantwana bakho. Xa bekuka bahamba. But afuna ngibele usizi.
Kodwa uxhomekeke kubo
Ah,
mfundi ungabi nalo
ungaxhomekeki kubo.
nelizwi
No.
ngoku ebantwaneni bakho.
Abethi knowledge is power. I believe that power should sustain.
Yeah.
So that is what has been the agenda throughout.
Kunesa sithombe sakho unopanyaza khawundi balisele nanisenza ntoni ba?
Nompumpim.
Nanisenza nalambhem pha ndanibona
One
kwi-social media
One
pha.
bizwa athi ndivile ngakho zapha nokubamba isandla.
Ewe.
No, I'm joking.
Yes.
As much as I was not aware of what is what, so I got into this profession of teaching.
Yeah.
I get to learn this profession. So mongena kwi-teaching yokucimba kukushumayela laa nto kumapha ebhodini
Ewe.
ubhale.
Ewe.
Then you have another thing coming. Le nto uyibhalayo, there's something omele ibhalanse, teaching and learning. So it doesn't mean when you teach there's learning. Okay, so I found out when I was in the system that teaching is not learning.
Okay.
So you have to ensure that as much as you are teaching, you must make sure that learning is taking place. And learning, for it to take place, it's when they respond to whoever is external coming to investigate. It can be a form of cyber tester, or they go out there and showcase to say they have learned. Yes. Right. So then I learned that issue. I learned another issue in education to say, in class you must motivate, you must make it exciting, you must bring new ideas.
So uba yi-therapist kwalapho, uba
Uba-yi-therapist
yi-teacher ngapha, funeka
understand?
nabantwana baphinde bakufundise, yes.
So then I wasn't expecting this. I thought uyashumayela.
Every day ithetha into eyi-one iphume icawe.
And I realized, oh, this thing is tougher than I thought.
Yeah.
There's higher accountability than I thought. We needed to be innovative. I'm a young teacher in this suburb school.
Yeah.
I'm young.
My kitchen.
In my kitchen. This sophisticated leather.
Yes.
And I am a brand, but I can't brand myself here. I'm used to be who I am, esikolweni.
Yeah.
But now, what would I bring in as unique? At one point when I was in Cape Town at UCT, I was doing something called mechatronics and robotics. And when I had a headline in University of TUT, the University of Technology, they had something called robotics in 2015. Hey, I had to search. I couldn't get it properly. Yeah. And I was told. Then they told me about there's something called robotics.
Okay.
And I remembered at UCT I did something like this.
Yeah.
But it was not this. So mangena to this school that I was teaching at, I then now wanted to start this thing of robotics. I had to learn it after school. Any other time I'm out of school, but I'm still teaching. Teaching lesson we are prepared for tomorrow.
Okay.
So I had all this preparation that I'm doing. Then I introduced something called coding and robotics. It was not famous at that point. Yeah. You guys were not talking about
it.
You guys were not aware of it. Then I introduced it. One of the first schools that had coding and robotics in this side, basically you're either Gauteng West or Johannesburg West. I don't know about other districts. So I introduced that. I got into competition. I got exposure. And I was called Mr. Robot because I was just doing that.
Before usazi lo robot.
Not le robot. So we started with something that was called in robotics NXT, the first generation of robotics.
Yeah.
We're dealing with that. And everyone was shocked. I had the support of my principal because she was a science teacher. My HOD, everyone was just excited around the area I was working with, about university. So it was not the Nama University with that. All right. And I'm there.
Ipinde. Not ne university.
With university.
Nama.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And on the other side, I'm helping this university to build its own model on something. I'm their technical guy.
Yeah.
And then they're giving this initiative a bonus. We compete in world robotics and so on and so forth. So I get this exposure of platforms that people were not aware of. I get in, I bring students. I get in, I get students. And to me, I'm like, I'm bringing something new. Look at me. And I'm teaching this maths.
Ngathi ndiyakubona ne-arrogance khona lapha. Yazi abanye abantu babangakwazi bangacipha ngomnye ubhuti oserious kanjani, guys.